It's another happy day in Happy Island of Catanduanes. Welcome back to the vlog, Happy Islanders. Mga padaba, nandito tayo ngayon ulit sa municipality of Caramoran in celebration of their town fiesta. And this is the Luminare street dance competition. You are watching Barangay Baybay's performance dito sa Luminare Street Dance Competition. Apat po sila magtutunggali ngayong taon. At ito po ang last contingent natin, ang Barangay Baybay dito sa Luminare Street Dance Competition dito sa Municipality of Caramoran in Happy Island of Catanduanes. Alright, that's about it. That is Barangay Baybay here in Luminare competition, street dance competition. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-follow sa akin, go ahead and follow Happy Island TV, your travel companion in Bicolandia and beyond.